software that manages the hardware, software, resources, and provides an interface with the user.
That's my goal.
So it is this operating system that makes it possible for you to be able to interact with the computer effectively. To have an insight, let's consider this diagram. We have the user here, then an operating system here, and then the computer. For the computer to understand the symbols or the data you have given to the computer, an operating system is the one that makes it possible in the interpretation of the data you have given to the computer, and vice versa. Meaning the response or feedback the computer gives you is as a result of this operating system. Are we together?
Yes.
Yes. So from here, we've got the types of operating systems. We've got the types of operating systems. One of the types of the operating system is the multitasking operating system. And a multitasking operating system is an operating system that allows the user to do one or more actions using a computer. The best example we can give, on your phones, you can be able to play the games whilst you are listening to music. That is multitasking. Are we together, guys?
Yes.
So from there, we've got the batch operating system. Batch operating system. Batch means bulk. So the batch operating system is an operating system where the information first has to be collected in bulk and then processed together at once. The best example we can give on this batch operating system is the preparation of the payrolls and the bank statements. It is done in such a way that before the month end, those guys were so before the month end arrives, their salaries have to be prepared. So many of the guys work under W. So the salaries have to be prepared before the month end arrives. And then when the month end arrives, the data which was collected has to be processed once.
Yes.
And then from there we've got the real-time operating system. The real-time operating system is the type of operating system that gives the feedback there and then. What I mean, it gives the feedback there and then. I'll give an example of the soldiers going on a mission. These soldiers are able to interact with the people they've left at the base using the real-time operating system in such a way that they are able to communicate there and then. Maybe using the radio messages and the left forward user interface. I'm not sure about that. So these are the types I'm going to talk about, and they are the three main types of the operating system. And then from there, we have the examples of operating systems. So on the examples, we've got Windows, 7 Ultimate. So the Windows is an operating system that is found on your laptops and the desktop computers. This is the Windows. And then from there, we've got the Mac OS, This is a type or an example of operating system that is found my iPhones, those guys mobile iPhones. This is the type of operating system the iPhone use. And then we also that Android. Android. An example of operating system. We are familiar with the Android. And then from the operating system.
Okay, my name is Christopher Slungwe, and I'm here to talk about the function of the operating system. And one of the functions of the operating system is that it creates a what? The relationship between the user and the what? And the computer, or maybe it creates the interface between the user and the computer. It also processes management. What do I mean about this? The operating system, it schedules the processes and the operating. Sorry, you want to step in? Yeah. I was trying to say the operating system, it helps in the processes of management and the process management of the computer, or let's say any other device. What do I mean by this? The operating system schedules the processes for the operation of the computer one by one. And this is done by creating or deleting of the processes. It also helps in the memory management. The operating system acts like it plays an important role in the management of the memory in the computer. This is the process or function that allows the computer to store the processed data for future use. And it also allocates the memory when the process requests to do so. Also, the operating system, it manages the computer resources such as the central processing unit. From here, we are going to look at the advantages of the operating system. And one of the advantages is that it allocates the memory, the allocation of memory is easier and cheap. This is one of the advantages of what? The operating system. Also, the operating system helps in the access of information. When you've got the operating system in your phone, it will be easier for you to access the information that is in your device. So it helps in the access of information, and it's very quick. Also, it acts as an interface, like I said earlier on. The operating system, it creates an interface between the computer and the user. It also the operating system also helps in the detection of harmful stuff in the what that comes in the what your computer. It will tell you to say your device is having some problems. Let me say it is having some viruses. The operating system is work to detect. It will help the machine to say, okay, in here we're having some foreign things that are disturbing the
And just to clarify, what it means is that when there is a virus in a computer, this operating system that makes it possible for you to know that there is a virus in a computer. How does it do so? It provides a warning in form of a sound or a beep. There is a person, maybe there is a virus which has been detected in the computer. They can beep information. So I think this is what we have on the operating system.